The world is changing. It is becoming wearable. Smart glasses and action cameras are becoming popular around us. For the first time, we are allowing them to be with us in the more important moments of our lives. They are recording while we are practicing sports, preparing our favorite dishes, hanging out with our friends, or working at our offices. Even our cities are becoming safer because several police departments around the world are using them right now. And our medical treatments are improving thanks to them. We have several doctors using them to improve the medical services. Now, if we take a look to the videos recorded with these devices, we will find something really interesting. There are two objects that are frequently recorded. The camera is usually in the chest or in the head, so our hands usually appear in front of the camera. So these are the two objects. So I'm wondering, can we use that information for our benefit and improve the quality of our life? I'm Alejandro Betancourt, and I'm PhD candidate of the University of Genova and the University of Eindhoven. And my answer to that question is yes, definitely we can. And that is exactly what my research is about. We are looking forward for a world on which cutting-edge technology like wearable cameras are able to understand the emotion of the user and help them to achieve the short and long-term goals. Let me give you an example. Let's imagine, for example, the patients of upper limb stroke. These people used to move normally one day, and suddenly, because of a brain damage, they lose the motion skills of one of their arms. To reverse the stroke, the patient must go to a hospital and follow a long therapy there. The only feedback that they receive are the comments of the therapist during the clinical sessions. Now imagine the benefit of a device that is able, a wearable device, that is able to understand what the user is doing, how he's doing in daily activities, how the motion patterns are. That will be invaluable for the progress because we can provide feedback, and for the therapist's role because they will understand how the patient is evolving. To accomplish this, we need to face big technical challenges first. Let me summarize them in 3 points. First, we need to program our devices to detect, segment, and track the hands of the user. We are doing this creating a cognitive structure that initially detects the global environment of the user and then is able to select the more appropriate color scheme. Why the color scheme? Because if we record the hands from different light conditions, the color scheme will really change. So it's a challenging point in our video perspective. Second, we need to make our methods work on board. To accomplish that, we are currently combining the state-of-the-art of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and parallel programming. Our idea is to make as efficient as possible our methods to run on board on real time of these devices. Finally, the social relevance of our research. We are currently working with our medical partners in the Netherlands to record the first stroke rehabilitation dataset. This dataset will help us not only to test our method on realistic conditions and real users. No, the more important part of this dataset is that it will lead us to help stroke rehabilitation patients to recover a fulfilling life.